Hi, welcome back to Radio Geek. This is a quick little video on how to install the firmware initially onto your device that you may have purchased. Without further ado, we'll get right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you're installing the software onto an Ubiquiti device, and this doesn't matter which Ubiquiti device, is go to the AREDNmesh.org website, and under software, go to download, click download, and then we're going to go and find the device that you need. So here under AREDN Firmware for Ubiquiti, find the device you need. Now this can be any of them. And here we're going to need the Rocket M5XW, and you want to click the factory. This is the only file you'll need. So once you find your device and the specific firmware for it, download it, and then we can go off and go on to the next step. The next step you'll want to do is, if you don't already have it on your computer, is you will need to get the TFTP client. Now there's a link for one in the description below. Otherwise, there's also one on the AREDN website. If you go to the docs the latest, installing AREDN firmware, and the Ubiquiti first install process, and you can see right here the standalone TFTP client right here. Now, once you have that installed, we can move on to our next step. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go to your network connections on your computer. And under network connections, find your Ethernet adapter. And in this case, mine's right here in the middle. Open that up. You'll get your Ethernet status. Go to Properties again. And then go to Internet Protocol version 4 and double click that. And we're going to want to use the following IP address: 192.168.1.100, and then subnet of 255.255.255.0, and then you can leave everything else blank. And then just hit OK, and then back to network connections. You'll leave this open because we'll need to use this in a little bit, but now we can go on to the next step. Now, once we have the IP addresses changed and we have installed the TFTP client, we can open up TFTPD64 and click the TFTP client tab. And then under the server interface, make sure that it has the IP address that you entered into your Ethernet adapter. If not, you can click down the arrow here on the right and select the correct IP address or interface. Then, on your host, we will want to type in 192.168.1.20. Now this is the IP address of your Ubiquiti device once we put it into TFTP mode. Now the local file, we want to select and find that file you downloaded from the AREDN Mesh webpage. So we will choose the Rocket MXW factory bin here. And now all we need to do is set up our Ubiquiti device so it's ready to receive the file. So for things other than your computer that you're going to need, you'll need your device. In this case, I'm going to be using the Rocket M5, a paperclip or some other small device, a small screwdriver, like an electronics one could use. And then I have my Cat 5, which is hooked up to the power injector, and then that is hooked directly to the computer. So before you put power to your Rocket, we're going to take the paperclip and you locate the reset button. In this case, it is on the bottom right next to the Cat 5 jack. And I am going to depress that with the paperclip. Hold it. A little tricky sometimes. And then plug your Cat 5 in so power is applied to your Rocket or other device, whatever that may be. Now you'll see those two lights, the orange and the green, light up there initially. And then you want to hold the reset button until you see these four lights cycle back and forth 2 at a time. So we'll show you that here in a second once it starts. All right, so you can release the reset button as soon as you see the sets of lights shifting back and forth like this, and that means that your device is now in TFTP mode, and we can move on to the next step. Over on the TFTPD software, you already have your IP address and the file selected. All we have to do is press the button Put, and you'll see it writing down here at the bottom to the Ubiquiti device. And then this window will show up once it is successful. And then you can hit OK. Now, looking back at the Ubiquiti, you'll see the lights flashing back and forth. It'll do this for a while, and you'll probably see it reboot a couple times. And once it's rebooted, we will log into it. So we'll let that sit for a second, and we'll go back to our computer. Then we will go back to our network connections. Now we will want to go back to our network connections. Click on Ethernet. Go to Properties. Back to Internet Protocol version 4. And then select Obtain IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically. And then hit OK. There you go. Now we can go back to Chrome or your browser of choice. And by this time, it looks like our Ubiquiti device is rebooted. We can type in 192.168.1.1 and you're at your node. And that is how you install the initial factory software onto your Ubiquiti device. The only final thing to do is you can click Setup. The username is root and the password is HSMM. And now you can do the rest of your setup for your device and get your node on the air.